Oyster mushrooms are the perfect first grow. Fast, forgiving, and delicious. Here's the whole process, start to finish. Step 1. The substrate. Oysters happily eat straw, sawdust, even coffee grounds. Cheapened everywhere. Pasteurize it in hot water around 160 degrees for an hour. This clears out competitors without sterilizing gear. Step 2. Mix in your oyster spawn, about 10% by weight, into the cooled substrate. Pack it into a bag. Now wait, in warm dark space, white mycelium spreads through the bag in 1 to 2 weeks. That white is exactly what you want. Step 3. Cut a few holes, move it to light and fresh air, and mist daily. Tiny pins appear within days. Those pins double in size every day. Harvest just before the caps flatten out. One bag gives multiple flushes. That is fresh gourmet mushrooms from a bag of straw. Start your first oyster grow this week. Everything you need is at 2020mushrooms.com.